Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change or how to customize the lock screen shortcut in this device. So here you can see these are the lock screen shortcut. This is the phone application and this is the camera. So let me show you how to change the lock screen shortcut in this device. For this, open the lock screen, press and hold the lock screen. Okay, now if you want to remove this phone app the shortcut from the lock screen, just tap on this one and you can add any shortcut. So here I am going to select the option mobile data. Now you can see instead of phone application, the phone data, mobile data is here. After edit the shortcut, tap on done on the top right side. Now just wait for a few seconds. You can see the lock screen shortcut is changed. So if you want to remove the lock screen shortcut from this device, again go to settings, press and hold the lock screen. Okay, now tap on this one and select the option no app. That's it. Tap on done on the top right side. You can see that shortcut is removed from this lock screen. So simply in this way you can change or customize the lock screen shortcut in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.